This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Woolwine. What an opportunity to own a beautiful Victorian home with views of the Hampton River. So much detail in every room with original moldings, doors, floors and porch details. Home is located on 3 lots and has a detached garage and workshop. 3 large bedrooms upstairs with some views of the Hampton River. Large sunroom off kitchen is perfect for enjoying the river views and relaxing. Come see the charm and possibilities of this historic home. This home and location is perfect for those having extra vehicles or boats/RVs. For more information, review the details below.